The best news of the week is here. Happy Christmas everyone as we look at some of the final leaks and rumors regarding the Galaxy S24 series. Zoom is not the only camera that Samsung is changing on the S24 Ultra. The main 200 megapixel camera upgrades are also revealed, along with one of the most, if not the most powerful Galaxy AI feature. But before all that, let's talk about the most important part of any flagship series, which is pricing. With all the new AI features and Samsung keeping the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive for the S24 Ultra, everyone was thinking that we're going to see a price hike, but turns out Samsung is looking to retain the same price as last year's models, which means $799 for the Galaxy S24, $999 for the Galaxy S24 Plus, and $1199 for the S24 Ultra. And let's not forget, this time they're planning even bigger deals when it comes to pre-orders. You'll likely be able to get Galaxy Watch or Buds completely free, along with incredible trade-in offers, especially for those who are using Galaxy S22 series. Now, how is Samsung doing this? Well, all because of one word and four numbers. And by that, I mean Exynos 2400. In case you don't know, Exynos 2400 is brought back for Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in only few markets. Because this is Samsung's own chip built on their own process, they're able to take off some of the load from Qualcomm and just keeping that reserved for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and some select S24 and S24 Plus models. This allows them to save money while keeping the price same as last year's models. Meaning all the features that we're gonna get, including all the AI features, will be completely free and on device on the S24 series. And you can experience all those AI features on the base $799 Galaxy S24. You don't have to buy the Ultra for all those AI features. This is a pretty good deal. So I would say thank you to Samsung, but let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now moving on to the main camera upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Although it is the same 200 megapixel sensor from the S23 Ultra, it will still have improved night mode and low light performance for both photos and videos. It seems like Samsung is now truly unlocking the full potential of this main camera sensor. Samsung is also improving their 200 megapixel mode with the help of AI, and let's not forget, Samsung is also rumored to bring 24 megapixel as the default photo resolution, which is gonna be one of the best things that can happen on a Samsung camera. Now last but not the least, we are getting so many Galaxy AI features on the S24 series. One of the most powerful ones is the ability to remove objects from a video. We have seen object eraser for photos, but this could actually come to a video as well, which is one of the most powerful things you can do on a smartphone. AI is about to revolutionize the way we use phones, starting with the Galaxy S24 series. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.